Amazon.com Incorporated, Nasdaq AMZN, had a decrease of 4.19% in short interest. AMZN's SI was 4.89 million shares in October as released by FINRA. It's down 4.19% from 5.10 M shares previously. With 3.23 M average volume, 2 days are for Amazon.com Incorporated, Nasdaq AMZN's short sellers to cover AMZN's short positions. The SI to Amazon.com Incorporated's float is 1.23%. About 2.74 million shares traded. Amazon.com Incorporated, Nasdaq AMZN, has risen 37.41% since October 23, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 20.71% the S&P 500. Analysts expect Newalta Corporation, NAL, to report -12 cents EPS on November 8. They anticipate 11 cents EPS change, or 47.83% from last quarter's -23 cents EPS. After having -18 cents EPS previously, Newalta Corporation's analysts see -33.33% EPS growth. About 140,551 shares traded. Newalta Corporation, NAL, has 0.00% since October 23, 2016 and is dotted as underperformed by 16.70% the S&P 500. Since May 2, 2017, it had 0 buys and 13 sales for $960.72 million activity. Albert Tomov also sold $800,000 worth of Amazon.com Incorporated, Nasdaq AMZN, shares. Wilkie Jeffrey sold $2.70 million worth of stock. 2,078 shares were sold by Blackburn Jeffrey M., worth $1.99 million on Monday, May 15. 544 Amazon.com Incorporated, Nasdaq AMZN, shares with value of $521,627 were sold by Reynolds Shelley. Sapolsky David also sold $2.24 million worth of Amazon.com Incorporated, Nasdaq AMZN, in Monday, May 15. Jassy Andrew R. sold $1.90 million worth of stock, or 1,985 shares. The insider Bezos Jeffrey P. sold 1.00 million shares worth $940.74 million. Among 46 analysts covering Amazon.com, Nasdaq AMZN, 42 have buy rating, 0 sell and 4 hold. Therefore 91% are positive. Amazon.com had 211 analyst reports since July 21, 2015 according to Stratton Sintel. IBS maintained the shares of AMZN in report on Friday, January 29 with buy rating. Nomura reinitiated the stock with buy rating in Wednesday, September 28 report. Goldman Sachs maintained the shares of AMZN in report on Friday, April 29 with buy rating. JP Morgan maintained the stock with buy rating in Wednesday, May 31 report. The firm has outperformed rating by RBC Capital Markets given on Friday, July 24. The firm has buy rating by Cantor Fitzgerald given on Friday, July 24. The firm earned buy rating on Wednesday, September 28 by Maxim Group. The rating was maintained by KeyBank Capital Markets on Monday, August 28 with hold. Axiom Capital maintained the shares of AMZN in report on Monday, December 28 with buy rating. The rating was maintained by AM Partners with buy on Tuesday, August 2. Investors' sentiment decreased to 1.36 in Q2 2017. It's down 0.34 from 1.7 in 2017 Q1. It turned negative as 64 investors sold Amazon.com Incorporated shares, while 542 reduced holdings. 153 funds opened positions, while 670 raised stakes. 285.20 million shares, or 2.71% less from 293.14 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. Damusa Incorporated accumulated 1,183 shares. 154,810 were reported by Nomura Incorporated. Buffington Advisors has 0.15% invested in Amazon.com Incorporated. Nasdaq AMZN. Stillwater Cap Advisors Limited Liability owns 562 shares, or 0.14% of their U.S. portfolio. GM Advisory GP, New York-based fund reported 2,330 shares. Origin Asset MGMT LLP holds 2.4% of its portfolio in Amazon.com Incorporated. Nasdaq AMZN, for 40,299 shares. Tarbox Family Office reported 0.19% in Amazon.com Incorporated. Nasdaq AMZN. Gradient Inves Limited stated it has 0.02% of its portfolio in Amazon.com Incorporated. Nasdaq AMZN. DeBurlo Group Incorporated stated it has 3.98% in Amazon.com Incorporated. Nasdaq AMZN. The California-based Windward Capital Management Company CA has invested 6.34% in Amazon.com Incorporated. Nasdaq AMZN. Moreover, Janney Montgomery Scott has 0.67% invested in Amazon.com Incorporated. Nasdaq AMZN, for 55,213 shares. Principal Group Incorporated holds 832,953 shares. Korea Investment reported 342,898 shares stake. Finkel Advisory Serve Incorporated holds 632 shares, or 0.18% of its portfolio. Pictet & C. Europe, SA invested 5.45% in Amazon.com Incorporated. Nasdaq AMZN. Amazon.com Incorporated offers a range of products and services through its websites. The company has market cap of $463.05 billion. The firm operates through 3 divisions: North America, International, and Amazon Web Services. It has a 243.22 PE ratio. The company's products include merchandise and content that it purchases for resale from vendors and those offered by third-party sellers. Among 6 analysts covering Newalta Corporation, NAL, 1 have buy rating, 0 sell and 5 hold. Therefore 17% are positive. Newalta Corporation had 27 analyst reports since July 21, 2015 according to Stratton Sintel. The firm has hold rating given on Tuesday, January 19 by Stifel Nicolaus. The stock has buy rating by TD Securities on Friday, August 7. The firm has sector perform rating given on Thursday, November 5 by National Bank Canada. TD Securities maintained Newalta Corporation, NAL, on Friday, November 11 with hold rating. The rating was maintained by National Bank Canada on Friday, June 3 with outperform. The company was maintained on Friday, August 7 by Scotia Capital. The company was maintained on Tuesday, November 17 by RBC Capital Markets. The company was maintained on Friday, February 24 by Scotia Capital. Stifel Nicolaus maintained the stock with buy rating in Wednesday, August 19 report. The rating was upgraded by Scotia Capital to sector outperform on Tuesday, July 21. Newalta Corporation is a Canada-based well-known provider of engineered environmental solutions to the gas and oil industry. The company has market cap of $64.35 million. The company's divisions include heavy oil and oilfield. It currently has negative earnings. The company's heavy oil segment processes oilfield-generated wastes, including treatment, water disposal, salt cavern disposal, land filling, and the sale of recovered crude oil. Newalta Corporation received news and ratings via email. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings with our daily email newsletter.